The 2025 Retro RV Camper is a beautiful fusion of classic nostalgia and modern-day convenience. It brings back the golden age of camping, polished curves, bold color palettes, and chrome details, while quietly packing in the smart features and energy efficiency of today's most advanced RVs. At first glance, you're hit with the unmistakable retro styling. Think classic two-tone paint, vintage wheel wells, rounded windows, and a front end that looks straight out of the 1960s. But this isn't just a throwback, it's a deliberate redesign, built with lightweight materials and aerodynamic upgrades, to keep the style, but shed the bulk. What's really impressive is how effortlessly it bridges the gap between old-school charm and new-school functionality. You get the warmth of wood grain finishes, brass hardware, and soft leather seating, but paired with solar panels, smart controls, and energy-efficient appliances. Step inside and it instantly feels like a cozy mid-century cabin on wheels. The lighting is soft, the design is intentional, and there's a sense of calm and comfort. There's a convertible dinette that turns into a full-size bed, a retro look, fridge with modern cooling, and a compact kitchen that feels both functional and fun to use. Storage is hidden in all the right places, with deep drawers under the seating, cabinets above and below, and small nooks throughout. Even the floor is designed with insulation for year-round comfort. It's not oversized, but it's incredibly well thought out, perfect for couples, solo travelers, or even remote workers looking for a stylish mobile base. One of the most unique touches is the mood lighting system. You can switch between warm, ambient tones for relaxing evenings or brighter daylight settings for working or cooking. Everything is controlled via a digital touchscreen or your phone, and the power system integrates solar and shore hookups seamlessly. The bathroom, while compact, doesn't feel cramped. A corner shower, sleek retro fixtures, and just enough space make it surprisingly practical. You also get a small water heater and an eco-flush toilet that uses minimal water without sacrificing comfort. On the road, the 2025 Retro RV Camper tows smoothly. It's lightweight enough for mid-size SUVs and electric vehicles, which means you don't need a big truck to enjoy big experiences. And because of its size, you can take it places many larger RVs simply can't go. Whether you're pulling up to a quiet lakeside spot or parking under neon lights on Route 66, this RV turns heads. But more importantly, it creates a feeling, a sense of slowing down, enjoying the moment, and traveling with character. The 2025 Retro RV Camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a vibe. It's for people who want the freedom of the road, the comfort of home, and the personality of something truly timeless. If you're looking for a camper that brings joy before you even step inside, this one's worth a serious look. Hit subscribe if you love RVs that break the mold, and drop a comment below. Would you go retro for your next adventure?